What is going on, everybody? Tyro Investing here. Today's video, we'll be covering Robinhood 24-hour trading. Kind of something they've had out for a bit. They've been adding new tickers, new stocks to it that are available to trade for 24 hours. I just kind of wanted to go over a little bit with you guys in case anybody hadn't really dug into it or wanted to know a little more. So I went straight to the source here, Robinhood's own website. Excuse me. Before we get started, I just kind of wanted to say that I've personally used this pretty effectively, I feel like, in 24-hour trading. I think what's really nice about the 24-hour trading is, the stock market closes my time at 3:30, and then, so much can happen between then. It's a global economy now. What if something happens, say there's a strike? Hopefully not, but this stuff happens, like a strike somewhere around the world, some war got started. Usually that has huge ramifications on stocks. And, I'm sitting here, oh, yeah, the market not going to open until, 10 hours from now. I just got to sit here and wait, and it's likely going to be that the stock market's down. So what you can do, you can kind of posture your positions and be like, okay, if I buy this, at least I know I have a chance to either buy more or sell more or something like that based on what could happen in between those hours. And, this is why crypto's always been something I've been drawn towards. Like, yeah, the market's open all the time. It's never turned off. And with 24-hour market trading now on Robinhood, I think it's just another thing that'll bring people into Robinhood, and it's just a cool little feature. So just wanted to go over with you guys what they have on their website. So Robinhood 24-hour market. So the 24-hour market technically isn't like 24/7, but it's pretty dang close. It's not open on the weekends, but it opens up technically it is open on the weekends a little bit. Starts Sunday at 8 p.m. Eastern, and it goes until Friday, 8 p.m. Eastern. And you can execute your trades during those times, during that 24-hour market. I mean, there's a few stipulations, like market holidays and such, but yeah. So let's get into it. You can check which stocks are available for the 24-hour market, going into the app and going list 24-hour market. I believe they've added quite a few to this list now since they first started, but yeah, that's where we're at now. You can place orders. This is how you do it. You go to the 24-hour market list. You can either select in dollars or shares. Doesn't have to be whole shares. Can still just trade with dollars. You can do the limit order, set the limit price, and then you can either choose to do it during the market or extended hours, or there is that 24-hour market option. The one thing that I thought was very important was, where was it? We'll go down to frequently asked questions. Now, if some people are trading on margin and not a cash account, if you got a cash account, yeah, you can trade whenever you want. You just obviously got to wait for your cash to come back through its process. But if you're on margin, you don't have $25,000 in your trading account, you're on the PDT, pattern day trader list. You cannot make more than 3 day trades within a 5-day period. So this is important. When you make a trade with overnight hours with the 24-hour trading market, the trading date will actually be for the next day. So like it says here, if you buy 2 shares of a stock on Monday night at 9 o'clock and you sell it the next day, that is a day trade. It counts for the next day. So I know that would have been a cool way to get around a day trade, but they count it as that. But conversely, I haven't tried this yet, but I'm probably going to try it soon and make another video and update you guys. But I'm curious to know if you say you buy it at Tuesday at 10 a.m. and then you sell it Wednesday at 9 p.m., does that count as a day trade? My guess is no, because what they're telling you here is that is a new day. This Monday is a new day. So, I really am a big fan of this. I'm a big fan of Robinhood. Like I've made in other videos, I buy, trade the stock. I use the platform pretty religiously. And, just stuff like this, it's just another way for them to get revenue. They have crypto, they have this. I'm just a big fan of this. And yeah, I'm curious if you guys have had any success in the 24-hour trade market on Robinhood. And if you have, hit me up in the comments. I would love to know. So yeah, if you like this video, give me a like. Would also really super appreciate a subscription as well. I'm pushing out a ton of videos. I'm having a good time doing it, so you'll get notifications on when I do. Really appreciate that. Also, follow me on Twitter at Tyro_investing. I do daily posts of crypto and stocks on there, so would appreciate that too. With that all being said, appreciate you guys watching a lot, and we'll catch you at the next video.